All right, guys. Welcome back to this YouTube video. Right. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit in Tentrade broker. It's very easy to deposit and withdraw. All right. So if you've not created your account, you can as well go to fxmediatrade.com. As you have right here, fxmediatrade.com. That's our website. You scroll down to click our recommended prop firm accounts. The reason for you to do this is so that you can have access to services, other services like having signals, free signals that will help you to pass your valuation account, and for you that is going to get an instant funded account, whichever way, it's just to help people who are into the prop accounts. All right, so ensure you go through this by going to our website www.fxmediatrade.com. Then scroll down, you can see these are recommended for firm, reliable and trusted. And so you click on join now, get your account. If you already have done that, there's no problem. You log in. Then once you log in on your account, all right, so switch to one of our clients' accounts, person of Janet 1P. All right, so this is a brand new account we just created for this purpose. All right, so this is what's going to pop up once you are logged in as a brand new account. So where do you get to deposit? As you can see straight up on my screen, we have open up a live account, open a demo account. You can open up your demo account if you want to trade with their demo accounts, whichever one you want on MT5 or MT4. All right, so you can open up a live account right here. Okay, so either a pro account or ECN account or bonus account. All right, so it's important that you open up a pro account. It depends on you actually. A pro account, all right, so I think a pro account should have a minimum of $50. All right, yeah, no, $100. Pro account is $100. Then ECN account, that bonus account, sorry, bonus account is the $50. Then ECN, I think around $300 or $500 or so. But open up a pro account. That's the one that is cool. All right, once you open up a pro account, then you want to deposit the fund. Look at the interface right here. So you click on deposit fund. All right, so that's loading up. All right, so here we have it. So deposit into my wallet. All right, so we have deposit fund. So tap on select to select the one that we want to use. Okay, now back wire, multi-currency, blah blah blah, whatever country you're connected from. All right, so you can use the one that you know how to use best in your country. If you're in Nigeria, you can use Cora Pay. Okay, that one too is a cool. It enables faster deposit and faster withdrawal. So tap on Cora Pay. All right, so I'm going to continue. Okay, so right here we have the deposit amount in Nigeria currency. Then we have the USD account. All right, so some of you may be asking, what's the rate? So this is where you can actually determine the rate for the day, because the rate changes consistently. How do you do that? Maybe you want to deposit in Nigeria currency, then you can just tap the amount you want to deposit. So I'm just going to tap $100 for an illustration. So now the amount, the equivalent popped up in Nigerian naira. So you have it right here, 98,500 naira. All right, so that's where you're going to deposit to have $100 account. So it means that the rate for today is $985 per dollar. Right, as of the time I'm recording this video for you guys, is $985 per dollars. Okay, so this is where you get to determine the rate for the day. So if you want to do a $1,000 account or $10,000, all right, you can see it there, 985,000 basically. All right, so that's what you get to fund, and this is the equivalent. So want to go ahead, so just click on continue. All right, so you have this, then click on continue. Okay, so the interesting thing about probably an account to click on pay with bank, then so this bank account can only be used once. Do not save it for future use. Transfer only the exact amount. So this account recycles. It's only available for a couple of minutes. So you get to transfer, and that's one interesting thing I like about Forex. So it runs immediately. So I click on yes, I understand. It generates the payment method. All right, so this is the temporary account. So it says make a single instant transfer from your bank to this account before it expires. All right, so you can see it has a limited time. I can't look at the time. Okay, it's actually going to expire in the next 1 hour. Okay, don't save the account. So you copy it. All right, then once you find the bank on your app or whatever means you're using to transact, the name on the account should be this. This is what's going to pop up. We'll ensure that everything is correct. Then once you proceed, it should now display in your wallet automatically. So once you have that in your wallet, from there you can actually move funds. I'm actually going back right now. It will display in your wallet. All right, so yeah, see it there, transfer funds. Look at the left hand side of my screen. To transfer funds, you click on transfer funds, so that you can actually transfer, say, from where to where, and from your wallet into your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5 account you opened. All right, so for this wallet, that is where the money you are depositing is going to show, whatever you want to use it for. It is this same wallet you can use to purchase your prop account. All right, so where you get your prop accounts is still in your menu right here. Okay, so see all right, so let's proceed. So it's in your menu actually. Then let's proceed to the next one, which is withdraw funds. It's easier. It's also the same thing. So the means you use to deposit is the means you use to withdraw. So I tap on withdraw funds and look at it. Withdraw from where? My wallet. Now before you actually withdraw from your wallet, this is what you do. On that transfer funds, if you make profit from your account, you make profit from your account, you can select. Now I've not created account, that's why it hasn't popped up. So if you make profit already, your Meta 5 or Meta 4 account will show right here. Then you can choose the one you want to and move the money to your wallet. You are transferring from your MetaTrader profits into your wallet. All right, so that's when you can now go to withdraw funds. Tap on withdraw funds. All right, so the money will be displaying where we have 0.00 USD. All right, so withdraw to where? Let's click on it. So the same means you use to deposit, I think that's what you should use to withdraw as well. So you use Forex, you click on it, obviously from there, that's it. It's very easy. Okay, so you can see that it's very easy to deposit and withdraw in your using your Tentrade account. Very fantastic. And I said to you guys, this is the prop firm and also broker that we use, is a multi-asset broker. Whatever you want to do, you do everything you want to do right here. You want a prop account, you want a funded account, you want to trade your own account, you want to trade a demo account, whatever thing you want to do, you want to copy trade, FX media trade, everything is here. All right, so very fantastic. You want the economical calendar, it's right here, everything. All right, so guys, if you find this video very helpful, all right, so I want you to actually subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, click the button to subscribe, and don't forget to also comment. If you comment, like and share if possible. You want, no problem, but you can subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out of more videos we're going to be doing that's going to help you in your trading journey. Never forget what FS Media stands for. How we've created traders around the world and creating profitable traders around the world. We also help you with informations that will help you to make good money from whatever country that you are as a trader. So the best program to use, the best broker to use, the best system to use, the best education. You get everything from FX Media. All right, guys.